following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WCW United States Championship.
There is an absolutely big fight feel in the arena tonight for this one.
Yeah, and judging from the vibe here currently, it seems to me like this is the one this sold-out crowd came to see.
Introducing the challenger from Germany, weighing in at 221 pounds, the Pig, Carl. Introducing the champion from Kona, Hawaii, weighing in at 244 pounds. He is the WCW United States Champion, the Bear, Bob Barker.
Plant your butts in those seats and get ready. This should be an incredible matchup. I mean, both men have extensive offensive repertoires, lasting endurance, and an insatiable appetite to be number one.
And I can't help but get the feeling that this is going to be one of those matches people will be talking about for a long time to come.
Here it comes!
Softening them up with some jabs. Here. Guys, in a title match like this one, on a stage as big as the one we're on now, you have to wonder how much nerves will become a factor. Ooh, what impact.
Boom, what impact. The champ's starting to stumble a bit. I fully expect him to bounce back, though. This is the type of one-on-one atmosphere where he thrives.
Hey, you're going to absorb some punishment in a wrestling match. It just goes along with the territory, and he knows that. I doubt he's all that concerned at this point.
Circling back to your earlier point, Corey, you have to think nerves will play a big part in this match, which I think favors the champion, especially considering how many times the champ's been in big-time matches like this.
I'd agree. The champ is used to the bright lights and bright stage. Dare I say, it's almost second nature at this point. Better stay right where he is.
Oh, he's such a tough target.
I know anything is possible, but I just can't envision a new champ being crowned here tonight. The champ just comes into tonight with too much momentum.
Look at this. What's he doing?
Nailed it.
Byron, I agree that the champ comes into tonight with a great deal of momentum, but like you said, anything can happen. We've seen champs get upset in the past. Who's to say it can't happen again here tonight?
Agreed. I don't think anybody expected Eddie Guerrero to defeat Brock Lesnar for the W.
He's jumping knee strike on point.
This just might be enough for him to take the victory here.
Wait a minute. What?
He wants no part of the outside.
He's in trouble.
Going for broke.
Byron, he's got the sleeper locked in. The sleeper hold is locked in.
This could be it. I think this is the beginning of the end, Michael.
New champion. We just witnessed what many felt was impossible.
That match is worth another look. Here we go.
Here is your winner and the new WCW United States Champion, the Pig, Carl.
Dominating tap-out victory here.
Great effort from both these guys, Michael. I'm willing to bet this isn't the last time we see them square off.
That main event may have raised more questions than provide answers. We'll find out next time. See you soon, everybody.